What's the most complex object in the known universe? It's not a supercomputer or a black hole. It's right inside your head. The human brain, a 3-pound universe of thought, memory, emotion, and consciousness. But how does this incredible organ actually work? And what happens when things go wrong? Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey to understand your brain. We'll break it down from the single cells that build it, to the major regions that control your every move, and finally, we'll talk about common illnesses and the medical heroes who treat them. By the end of this video, you'll see your own mind in a whole new light. First, let's talk about the brain's basic building block, the neuron. Your brain has about 86 billion of these nerve cells. Think of a neuron like a tiny messenger. The dendrites receive signals, the cell body processes the information, the axon sends the signal out, and at the very end is the synapse, a tiny gap where the message is passed to the next neuron using special chemicals called neurotransmitters. This incredible dance of electricity and chemistry is the foundation of every thought, feeling, and action you've ever had. Now, to make sense of this vast network, scientists divide the brain into 3 major evolutionary parts. At the base is the hindbrain, or the survival brain. It manages automatic functions like breathing, heart rate, and balance. Sitting above it is the midbrain, a crucial relay station for information related to movement, sight, and sound. And finally, the crowning glory, the forebrain. This is the thinking and feeling brain, responsible for your reasoning, memories, and emotions. The largest part of the forebrain is the cerebrum. Its wrinkled outer layer is the cerebral cortex, and this is where the magic of consciousness happens. It's divided into 2 halves, or hemispheres, and each hemisphere has 4 specialized lobes. The frontal lobe, this is your CEO. It's for planning, decision-making, personality, and voluntary movement. It also contains Broca's area, which is essential for producing speech. The parietal lobe, this is your sensory hub. It processes touch, temperature, and pressure, and helps you understand spatial awareness. The temporal lobe. This is your sound and memory center. It handles hearing, language comprehension, Wernicke's area, and houses the hippocampus, critical for forming new memories. The occipital lobe. Located at the back, this is your visual processing unit. This is where you actually see. Beneath the cortex lies the limbic system, the emotional core of your brain. Key players here include the amygdala, which processes fear and emotion, and the hypothalamus, which regulates body temperature, hunger, and thirst, linking the brain to your hormonal system. And we can't forget 2 other crucial parts. The cerebellum, the little brain at the back that ensures your movements are smooth and coordinated, and the brainstem, which connects to your spinal cord and tirelessly manages your breathing and heartbeat 24/7.
Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
This intricate system is powerful, but it's also vulnerable. When something goes wrong, it can lead to a range of disorders. So, what are some common brain illnesses, and which doctor should you see? Stroke. This occurs when blood flow to a part of the brain is cut off, causing brain cells to die. It's a medical emergency. Alzheimer's disease and dementia. These are neurodegenerative disorders that cause a progressive decline in memory and cognitive abilities. Epilepsy. Characterized by recurrent unprovoked seizures due to sudden abnormal electrical activity in the brain. Parkinson's disease. A movement disorder caused by the loss of neurons that produce dopamine, leading to tremors, stiffness, and slow movement. Multiple sclerosis, MS, an autoimmune disease where the immune system attacks the protective covering of nerves, disrupting communication within the brain and spinal cord. Brain tumors, these can be benign, non-cancerous, or malignant, cancerous, and their impact depends on their size and location. Mental health disorders. Conditions like depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia have strong biological roots in brain chemistry and circuitry. So, who are the experts for these conditions? Modern medicine has several specialized departments. Neurologist. This is the primary brain and nerve doctor. They diagnose and treat diseases like stroke, epilepsy, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, Mississippi, and migraines. They typically use medications and non-surgical approaches. Neurosurgeon. These are the brain surgeons. They operate on the brain, spinal cord, and nerves to remove tumors, treat aneurysms, relieve pressure from a stroke, or implant devices like deep brain stimulation for Parkinson's. Psychiatrist, a medical doctor who specializes in mental health. They diagnose and treat mental illnesses like depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorder, often using a combination of therapy and medication. Neuroradiologist, a specialist who uses imaging technologies like MRI and CT scans to diagnose neurological conditions. They are the detectives who find the problem. Neuropsychologist. They focus on how behavior and skills are related to brain structures. They conduct tests to assess memory and problem-solving skills, which is crucial for diagnosing conditions like dementia. It's important to know that these specialists often work together as a team to provide the best possible care. The most amazing discovery in recent years is neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and form new connections throughout your life. This means you can actively shape your brain's health. Here are 5 key ways to protect and enhance your brain. Quality sleep. This is when your brain cleans itself and consolidates memories. Regular exercise. It boosts blood flow and encourages the growth of new neurons. A balanced diet. Fuel your brain with antioxidants, healthy fats, and nutrients. Mental stimulation. Never stop learning. Read, puzzle, and learn new skills. Social connection. Strong relationships are vital for cognitive health. From the firing of a single neuron to the vast networks that create your conscious experience, the brain is a testament to the wonders of biology. Understanding it is the first step toward appreciating it, caring for it, and unlocking its incredible potential. If you found this journey into the brain fascinating, hit the like button and subscribe for more explorations into embark on a journey of lifelong learning with Knowledge Park. We explore the fascinating world of knowledge, from groundbreaking scientific discoveries and historical mysteries to incredible cultural insights and mind-bending facts. Our mission is to create a free, global library of knowledge for everyone, everywhere. What part of the brain would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.